Good morning, friends. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you had a great weekend. I know I did. It was very chill. Liking what's going on with the world and where we're headed, and the markets look like they're gonna start doing cool things. So I'm very excited. We got our new opening. We got a small inefficiency in there. So we'll just keep that in the back of our minds for now. I'm under the impression that we continue to go up. A lot of the people would see 3 retarded soldiers as a reversal pattern. There's going to be a lot of heroes trying to call tops. I'm not going to be doing that until price action actually breaks trend. And clearly it's in an uptrend. So I'm not going to fight that. So what I would like to see this week is a bottom at 24,694.25. That's roughly the second place I'll be looking for a bottom. But that's pretty much, if we start losing that, then we're likely not going to be bullish for the week. So that's my line in the sand before I start looking for shorts for the end of the week. So we've got some news drivers, some economic news events happening this week, which is really good. Chirp Powell speaking on Tuesday, or I have to double check, but he speaks this week, so be careful. I'm pretty sure it's on Tuesday. I actually have it handy here. Crazy. So let's see what happens. Tuesday, if we are down at this price point here or near it, that's where I'm going to be looking for the bottom. If we do it Monday, then I'll be looking for Tuesday to start expanding in the opposite direction. So what will we be looking for targets? So either write that price point down, or you can keep that price level on your chart. It's the only one I'm interested in for now, so I would rather not have anything on my chart. And 25,202 even. That's going to be my target for the week. It can expand. It cannot hit it at all. As long as it starts reaching toward it, then I'm a happy camper. Again, I'm not going to have it on my chart, but you'll know what it is. It's 25,202. So you can journal that, write it down, or just have that price point on your chart. Those are the 2 price points that I'm interested in, and I would like to see a green candle expand to the upside this week. The pullback Thursday or Friday, I want it to be quite vicious, and it can keep going Thursday and Friday. It's going to be kind of a lot of live price action reading, like more so than just forecasting, because we're entering in what is possibly the very dynamic part of the cycle, and it will look like it wants to top out, but it'll just keep going. You know what? I'll give you an example, okay? Friday. Actually, we'll go into this guy here. Okay, so just take this for example and use this as a lesson, because this is the kind of stuff that happens in bull runs. Look at how London comes down, makes the low of the day here, dips first. Dope. But New York makes a substantial Judas here for the 9:30 a.m. opening bell. So when this starts slamming down, it looks like that this is the high of the day and it's going to come run out London's low. Typically, if it was bearish, this is exactly what it would look like. And it would be a heavy fall. However, in a bull run, it's bait. That is the higher low in the trend, and you can get used to this, and it happened here on Thursday as well, where it snaps up, pretends like it's over, and then boom. So this is a theme that happens continuously. This is a really gross one, but it's a theme that happens continuously. This is, well, when London makes the low of the day and New York can just keep grinding higher all day. Kind of like this. Yeah, we can see some pretty dynamic, but though I'm buying flash dips, so if I see those, I will be turtle souping. So anyway, these profiles are heavy duty, and where it can come down, look like it's over for the day, come down even deeper, but it's gonna just keep going higher and keep grinding higher and higher and close near the high. So that's what I want to see this week for the month. So this is our last week of the month where we're typically looking for a really nice pullback, but I'm looking for more of a close like this, where we could, the second last day or the last day of the month, maybe the third last day, just somewhere in there, pull back substantially, just like we just seen, but then just keep grinding higher and then close near the high of the month. That's something I want to see, or even something like that. Okay, so not much of a wiki poo on there like this one, right? And then we've got our 3-month close coming. So we're anticipating what's going to happen next. Well, I see a swing low in a discount market. Even though price ripped up back to a premium, that's why we front ran the swing low. It's still a swing low. So this is going to be funny. When this candle opens in October, it's going to be the same thing we're doing in the week. Because price is fractal. We're going to take the top 30% of the previous candle's range and use that to find a bottom. Ooh. So you have the price points I'm looking at. I'm just going to leave them off my chart. See what happens tomorrow. There's no news driver. Tomorrow's like the tell. Okay, if it does something specific, then we're likely on side for the move. And as long as price stays in agreement with that, we're all happy campers. And we're waiting for this fund to show up where everything's just perfect. And it's so much fun. It's coming. It's coming. So hang tight. Keep your risk in check. God bless you guys. Thank you for joining. And we will see you tomorrow. Peace.